Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you now how to turn off activity tracking on your offline Facebook activity. Let me show you how. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Facebook app. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down until you get to settings and privacy. Click on that. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on account center. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you go to your information and permissions. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your activity of Meta Technology. Click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on disconnect specific activity. It's going to take you right here. Right here, you will need to enter your Facebook login password. So I'm going to simply enter my login password. Having entered your login password, click on continue. And you'll be taken to every activity you have right here. So if you want to disconnect on any activity from this particular app or website right here, what you need to do is to select on the app or the website. Then having selected, you can select as many as possible right here. So I need to select this. Having selected everything, next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue right here. What you should know, when you disconnect your future activity that business send us, your choice will be applied to all your accounts that you have linked in account center. Simply scroll down right here and read the detail as far as this is concerned. Next thing you need to do is to click on confirm right here. Activity disconnected. It's that simple. So with that, this particular app and website here will not be able to track your activity offline on Facebook. That simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.